How to transfer money from Scotia to SIMPLII. Log into your Scotia account on the official website or app. Navigate to the Transfers or Transfer Funds section. Select Transfer to another bank or external account transfer. Enter your SIMPLII account details including account number and institution. Choose the Scotia account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your SIMPLII account. Select the transfer date, either immediate or scheduled for later. Review the transfer details for accuracy before proceeding. Hope you understood the entire topic. Follow these steps to transfer money from Scotia to SIMPLII. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.